a good rise and a good fall on both US indices yesterday. And yes, as expected, I told you that once it is below 31,350, specifically Dow Jones, it may try to hit 3900 levels, which is a very strong support zone, and it has precisely achieved this, now trying to trade with a rise. Now what is going to happen today, which position we should take, we will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. First we'll look into NASDAQ 100 followed with Dow Jones, and do watch the next analysis which will be released before the US cash session. That will be the follow-up session. So two videos in a day for specifically Dow Jones and Nasdaq, and hence do not forget to keep yourself updated. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and do press the bell icon. So let's start the day with US 100 first. US 100 trading at 11,650 levels. There is strong support at 11,600 exit. So it is still trying to consolidate here with its set support. It is failing to go up and is still trying to get the resistance. But once you see it trading above 11,710 and 11, rather I'll say 11,720, you can again go long for 11,800 and 11,900 levels. It can rise till there. Probably before it looks over to any further retracement, it can still show you a little rise. You can see here on the hourly charts, it has seen the lows there and it is trying to converge from here, and hence little bullishness can be expected in the coming charts. The directional movement is still bearish. The MACD is trying to converge. The RSI is oversold and the stochastic is also looking upwards. Similarly, if you look at the 2-hour charts, you will find that it has got the support here and it is trying to bounce back. I'll look forward to the next candle. If you see, in fact, if you see trading above 11,670, you can go long with the stop loss at 11,600. You can stay long, and then the target is going to be 11,720, 11,800 levels. So do not miss this, right? Probably, in fact, if it has to break, it can break later, but it may achieve 11,800, 11,900 zone. See, here is the support zone and it is precisely achieved these levels. So any breakdown below 11,600 is going to be strong. That one should keep it in mind also. Look at the oscillator. It has seen the highs. It may start and converge and it give the greener candles from here. The directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. It is trying to converge. It may try to converge. The MACD is also extremely bearish there. It may try to converge a bit. And if you look at the RSI, this is oversold, now trying to bounce back, and the stochastic is oversold too. It can try to bounce back. So I'll be looking forward to a rise from here. 11,720, 800 levels appears quite achievable. Then 11,840, 900 levels should also be achieved if it continues to rise in this territory. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, you can find that the candle is still trading red. Also, it has seen the lows there. I'll be watchful of 11,600. If you see it trading below 11,600, you can expect it to drop more, and on the upside beyond 11,670 one can expect it to rise more till towards 11,727 20 and 11,800, 840 and then 900 levels can be expected. On the downside, breaking below 11,600, there could be further fall which may try to bring it till towards 11,400 levels in the coming time frames. So oscillator has crossed over for a sell entry. This is the first red candle. We can see the candle size increasing, but so this is something which is making me cautious. The directional movement is wide divergent and still bearish. The MACD is also wide divergent and bearish. It may try to converge. The RSI near to bottom and the stochastic is oversold. Only one indication, which is stochastic, which is in sync with the charts there, on the 4-hour chart. See, it is trying to give you lower lows, and see it is trying to stabilize here, and then one green candle may appear and then it will try to come back to 11,800, 840, 900 levels, and then it can again. So even if it has to drop, it has to achieve these levels before it looks over to any further drop. That is my expectation. Oscillator there is completing the red cycle of the 4-hour charts. Probably from here the green candles can be expected. The directional movement is still bearish. The MACD is wide divergent bearish and stochastic is oversold. We can expect a little rise, but it has to sustain above 11,670 for it to continue in the bullish zone. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can find that it is almost from the bottom there. It has achieved the lower lows and it is trying to rise. Good long above 11,670. We can expect 11,740, 720, 11,800, 840 and in fact 11,900 levels can also be expected. I am repeating it again and again till the time it imbibes in your mind. And yes, there could be a drop later. Till the time it trades below 11,900, there could be a drop later. So what one can either go long or short there at 11,900, or now one can go short at 600, that is the safer and safest entry. If you see it trading below 11,600, go short. Then the next target is 11,510, 11,400 level should get achieved. See, it is completing the greener cycles on the daily charts, and it is complete this. See, it is stabilized here. Probably from here the greener candle can increase, so I'll be watchful. And yes, and only short entry I'll recommend is below 11,600. Below that one can expect a good fall. Till the time it trades above 11,600, I'll expect it to reverse a bit. I'll expect it to hit back till towards 11,840, 900 levels. So take your trades accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with stop loss, and please, these are markets. It can swing either ways. I can only share my judgment. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Similarly, US30 got the support at 3900, getting the resistance at 31,020 levels, and US one can, if it sustains above 31,000, one can stay long. I'll look forward to a little reversal. The target should be at around 31,150, 31,200, and then 31,300, 350 levels can be expected. It can try to reverse back a bit. The oscillator there trying to give you the greener candles on the bearish side, and directional movement is bearish. The MACD is also wide divergent bearish, trying to converge. RSI is oversold and stochastic is looking upwards, indicative of little bullishness. Rest everything is oversold, and for a little bounce back we have to wait a little. But yes, any move beyond this zone at 31,000 next time, yes, you can go long, and then one can expect it to remain bullish. So in between 30,900 and 31,000, I will not recommend you to take a trade. I will be still expecting it to bounce back a little on the upside. The oscillator has come on to the sell side, and it is giving you the red candles. The direction movement is bearish. The MACD is wide divergent bearish. RSI near to the bottom. Stochastic oversold. Probably I will be looking forward to a reversal, and yes, you can stay long as far as my opinion is concerned. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, it is formed the bottom, almost triple bottom is formed. It is trying to trade with a rise. Any move beyond 31,000 will be good for you to stay long. 31,150, the first target should get achieved, and then beyond that 31,250, 300, 350 levels should get be the stronger resistance. The support previously at around 31,350 now will be the resistance. Now look at the oscillator. It is trading on the bullish side, giving you the red, completing the red part of this complete bullish cycle. The directional movement is still trading with little divergence. The direction MACD is wide divergent and bearish. It must start to converge. The RSI trading flat, and if you look at the stochastic, this is oversold, so yes, that may look forward to a rise from here. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, lower highs, flat bottom, and it is trying to still give you the red candle itself. Probably any breakout beyond 31,000, 31,020 will be a very good indication that it is going to reverse, and then one can stay long for 31,150, 31,250, and 31,300, 350 levels. And you can see the oscillator is completed or trying to complete the red part of this bullish cycle. And if you look at the directional movement, it is trading with very narrow divergence, indicating little bullishness. But look at the MACD. This is wide divergent and extremely bearish. This is the third red candle. Let's see if it is the high, and it may try to converge from here. RSI trading flat. Stochastic is oversold on the 4-hour chart. And if you look at the daily charts, similarly on the daily charts, it has got the support. It has formed the double bottom. It is trying to rise. The resistance there at 31,000. You can see here 31,050, and then beyond that one can expect 31,100, 31,200 zone should get achieved. The oscillator there has seen the bottom there. Probably it may again start to increase the candle size on the sell side itself, increasing the bullish momentum. The directional movement is still bearish. The MACD is parallel and bullish here. The RSI trading flat, and the stochastic looking downwards. Considering this, one can stay long above 31,000, and yes, specifically 31,050 will be the first target, then 31,150 is the next target, 31,250 the third target, and then 31,300, 350 will be the last target. It can try to achieve and attempt and achieve these levels. On the upside, in fact, beyond 31,350, there will be further bullishness for 31,500. So take your trades accordingly. On the downside, if you see it trading below 3,900, then only go short. I'll be looking forward to 3820 and 3,700 levels. In fact, it may try to attempt, once it drops below 3,700, I'll be looking forward to 3,500 levels. So take your trades accordingly and trade with discipline, trade with caution, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. And yes, you can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on first week of July. Be a part of it. The learning is for lifetime. Investment and returns are for lifetime. So first, invest in your learning. Second point, You can be part of my VIP singles group too. To join any of these, you can reach out to me via my Telegram or official email ID. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.